Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the Bhimbetka Rock Shelters in Madhya Pradesh. So Bhimbetka is around 45 kilometers from Bhopal and the drive takes around 90 minutes. The word Bhimbetka means the sitting place of Bhima. Bhima is one of the 5 Pandavas and it is said that the Pandavas have spent some part of their exile in this place. So this UNESCO World Heritage Site houses around 750 rock shelters and more than 500 of them have prehistoric paintings made by the early man. The oldest cave paintings are almost 30,000 years old, but out of the 15 caves that are accessible by tourists, the paintings date back to 15,000 years. The entry fee for the caves is Rs 10 for Indians and Rs 100 for foreigners. If you are taking your personal vehicle, you need to give an additional fee of Rs 100 for Indians and Rs 400 for foreigners. The caves open at 6:30 am and close at 5:30 pm all 7 days of the week. Also, I personally recommend that you hire a guide as it is very difficult to spot the paintings. Also, a guide can tell you a lot about the paintings and what they are. Even though all the 15 caves have paintings, there are 3 of them that are worth mentioning. So the first one is the Auditorium Rock. It is said that this rock was supposed to be the meeting place for the early men and gatherings were held here. This cave is the main attraction out of the 15 caves, mostly due to its size and grandeur. Once we enter the cave, on the left wall we can see a wide variety of paintings. Most of them include paintings of animals and some human figures. However, the most interesting feature of this cave is the outline of a Mesolithic child's hand. In this rock we can see small holes drilled. They are called kupals. Our guide told us that these kupals were used to show directions to the people, i.e. this rock was used as a map. Now the second rock we are going to talk about is the boar rock. In this massive mushroom rock, there is a huge painting of a boar that is around 10 meters above the ground. In this painting, we can see that this boar is chasing a human and other humans are running behind it with stones and sticks. The most interesting thing about this painting is the huge size of the boar as compared to the human and the horns the boar has. And the next shelter we are going to talk about is the Zoo Rock. This semicircular rock houses 252 paintings of animals. The paintings are in layers as the relatively new generations of the prehistoric era have overlapped with their paintings into the earlier ones. So there is a superimposition of almost 10 layers. The color of the painting varies with time. The oldest were painted in white. Then came the red paintings that were painted with meat, blood and flesh. And later came bright colors like yellow and green. While some of the paintings are perfectly preserved, some have started disintegrating due to the rock eroding. This is usually due to water, air or moss and fungus. But it's extraordinary that we can see these paintings that were made by our ancestors tens of thousands of years ago. Some of the other paintings include group dancing and group hunting. Like in this painting, we can see group dancing, while some are dancing in a circle and others are playing musical instruments. There is also a rock that is naturally shaped in the shape of a turtle. The whole cave complex is filled with trees, so you would be comfortable even at noon, and you don't have to walk much as it's only 1 kilometer till the last cave. So that is all there is to Bhimbetka. Thank you so much for watching this video and please do not forget to like and subscribe.